Thousands of people in Virginia are on the mend after catching coronavirus in the past couple of months. That includes a local couple who were two of the first people in our area to contract the virus. And needless to say, the road to recovery is long and bumpy. 10 on your side's Jason Marks has an update for us.
Well, it's a dubious honor that I believe no one wanted to have, the first to test positive for coronavirus in Hampton Roads. But one Virginia Beach couple is wearing it as a badge of honor.
It's just a very unique virus.
One Virginia Beach couple knows it very well. They were the first to test positive for coronavirus in Hampton Roads.
We're still kind of in a state of shock that we were the first.
The husband and wife, who were not identifying, got COVID on an Egyptian cruise in early March. They may have been the first in the area. They were far from the last.
So as the cases started rising here in this area, I was kind of shocked.
More than 4,000 Hampton Roads residents have now tested positive, some of them tragically not able to recover. The Virginia Beach couple knows how lucky they are.
Extremely. I feel very blessed. We were truly blessed that we got through this without having to go back to the hospital.
The couple spent weeks in self-isolation. Most of that time was recovering from the illness. It didn't happen overnight.
I just had a severe cough, and that lasted a good 8 to 9 weeks, which was a lot longer than I had expected. Even after they said that, you're clear of the virus, I would feel it's almost like you had mononucleosis. I was very tired. For probably, I would say, a week to 10 days.
Surprisingly, the couple says it's not in favor of the governor's mandatory mask order. They believe people should have the choice.
We don't go out and worry, are we going to get in contact with somebody that has the virus? I guess we just have that comfort level that we're over it and we're ready to move on.
Move on and maybe shoot to become the first in something else.
We have a peace about it, just because we're through it.
The couple tells me the most important thing that they believe needs to happen is to make sure that those at high risk are protected, because they say this virus is no joke. That's the latest here in Virginia Beach. Jason Marks, 10 on your side.